I have come for a business deal. Business deal. You have 2,510 houses, 6,424 votes in this premises. Your major problem is you want a CSI which has been a part of this apartment to be handed over to you. Am I right? Yes. This is the main. Number 2 is Kaveri water. Fully Kaveri water to give more water. Then all others are Puteri Lake issue is all small issue. I know that. This 2 issue. If I get this done, what you are going to give to me? Simple. Say, because your booth is here only. Where? Nagar School. Anyway, it is here. Every booth, it has a Cambridge. Every booth is been counted. In 2 or 3 booths, all your votes are there. Anyway, where there is a will, there is a way. I believe in sharing and caring. So you have to share your confidence with me so that I will care for you, whatever the problem is there. You have voted earlier, I saw the booth. You have not voted my candidate. You have not voted my candidate. You make use of me, you assure me, you vote me,